In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide all your Facebook posts. So if you want to hide all posts on Facebook, include your Facebook videos, your Facebook updates, status, you can hide everything with just a single tap in this video. So if you enjoyed this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to hide all posts on Facebook, all you need to do is open the Facebook application just like this. Then click on the profile icon at the top right there. Now scroll down and click on settings and privacy to open this option. Once opened, click on settings, and once you selected settings, you want to scroll down, keep scrolling until you get to your activity, and under your activity make sure you click on activity log. Now once you selected activity log, scroll down and click on the drop menu beside your Facebook activity, then scroll down to post and click on manage post. Once you click on that, wait for all your posts on Facebook to load. This might take a couple of seconds before all the posts on the Facebook platform will load. So this depends on how many posts you have already published on Facebook. Now, once you see everything just like this, you need to click on filters. Now click on categories. Since we're interested in hiding all posts on Facebook, come here and select your post, photos, and videos. Once you selected that, wait for this page to filter your Facebook posts to post, photos, and videos, and then click on check all to select all your Facebook posts, photos, and videos just like this. Now once this is selected, click on this three dot at the bottom right, click on change audience. Now tap change audience from the pop-up again. Here you need to switch from public to only me. Then choose the button that says change audience again, tap change. Then this is going to change your Facebook audience to only me, and you'll be taken to this page. Now this implies that you have successfully hide your Facebook post from the Facebook platform, and this is going to be available to only you and you alone on the platform. So if any other person wants to see your Facebook post, the post will be hidden from the person, even your posts that were tagged on the platform. So you can now go ahead and use your Facebook account without any post in it. So if this is helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.